Every now and then there is some piece art here in Iceland. This particular one is in a highlands between Elstadir and Seyðisfjörður. It's like colorful cubes, and you will read more about it by yourself.